Alright, so today I'm gonna go to this gun shop because I ordered a suppressor for my 45 last night. And yeah, you gotta visit a gun shop to do the fingerprint bullshit. So I'm gonna go do that. And then also I'm gonna go not on a very far ride today, but because the last footage got cut off, take you guys on a hill country ride. It's a beautiful day. It's beginning to be spring. Actually, it's not. It's still February, but we're in Texas. It's gonna start getting like really unbearably hot here in a minute. Oh yeah, something that I'll mention, I'm sure you guys know, is that Eric Buell is gonna be releasing some kind of 175 horsepower, I believe it is, supercruiser, that is, in 2025. Frame wise, it looks like an FXR. But I mean 175 horsepower, and it's super light too. It's like only 400. But that's all I gotta say about that.
That's all I have to say about that.
So yeah, if you guys don't know, Eric Buell used to work for Harley. I remember while I was in high school, towards the end, he was releasing bikes. I'm sure he was doing it well before that too, but had to get a little squirrely there. These new tires, these Metzlers are badass. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, Eric Buell used to work for Harley, but I'm pretty sure this new supercruiser that he's going to be releasing is not going to be through Harley. It's like his own company now, which is really cool because his older bikes, they use the old Sportster Evo motor, which is not a bad motor, but was definitely hindering it compared to other sport bikes at the time. Yeah, the new motor, I don't know what the hell it is. It's like some kind of liquid cooled monster. Well, I guess I'm not gonna go for a ride because I gotta go back home and fill out some more paperwork. Well, not paperwork, electronic documents.